Secretary Margarita M. Gutierrez, DOJ Assistant Secretary Jose Dominic F. Clavano, DOJAC Program Director Joan Carla V. Guevara, and OIC Regional Prosecutor Graham June Y. Elmiro.
Sarah. Panahon na ng pagbabago.